RHOBH and welcome to my Hawaii house. My wedding is tomorrow, so I wanted to show you a quick sneak peek of my home. So this is my courtyard. I have a water feature, fountain. I love landscaping, so we worked a lot on the entry. I have beautiful flowers that smell good. I believe this is a gardenia. And there's a lot of wonderful tropical flowers and plants around. Okay, this is the gong. Gotta have a gong on the entry. So before you walk into my house, a good all sounds good. So this is my living room. What I love about this house is it's a flow through. Pocket doors, open. So when I entertain here, we can use from the courtyard out to the pool area. I wanted a really big sofa for all of my family to hang out on. So what's great about this house is these giant sliding pocket doors. Great use of space, fantastic for entertaining. What's also great about this area is this covered lanai. So during the day when the sun's out, if you want to stay in the shade, you have this wonderful shaded area. Barbecue. I have a bathroom off of this room. I have a bar, TV, an outdoor television, another seating area. I like many seating areas so you can see the view of the oceans from my house. And this is the pool. My kids love this pool. I love the size of this pool. It's pretty big. You can see all the floats in it right now. Sorry, it's a little messy, but when you have children, yeah. And I love to just float around. I have an infinity edge pool that looks out to Lava Rock. I have these great views down the coast. And you can see the juxtaposition of the Lava Rock and the green trees, and it's so pretty. So this is my special place. Thank you, RHOBH for touring my home. Aloha!
Thanks for watching. Click right here to subscribe to the Bravo channel.
And click here to watch more videos from the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills.